Okie dokie. And this can actually go away. By that, we're just gonna hide it, because I might use it in the future. But, now I can go back to... I had stuff to do. So throwing potions and potion abilities. All the stuff for the guards. And then also the scene transition stuff. Yeah, I don't really know. I think I want to mess with the title screen background once I know what the name of the game is and what it's about. Then I'll worry about that. Could do the scene transitions. I could do the throwing potions and stuff. So, do I have the scene transition stuff? No. Because that's another prefab. Transition panel, yeah. I don't know, it's almost like a theming thing, where I'm like, if I figure out the theme of the game, then I can figure out a little more what I want for the transition. Okay, I think I will work on the potion stuff, like I said I was going to. But let's do a nice... Yeah, I don't really want to separate it. I don't know. I could say here's what I got in the last... got done in the last 4 hours, and then just do the 4-hour chunks, essentially. Not that I need a whole bunch. No. I'm going day by day with those things. So, we'll go day by day. So, obviously, for this... Oh, the options menu. So then... Options is... working music slider... and a working sound effects slider. Which that should be fairly trivial. So maybe that's what I'll tackle. So the options menu here on update should be picking up the slider. What's it called? Options. Music slider? Slider. It is just a slider. Okay. So. I didn't turn off the computer or anything. Why are you, again, working so slow, you dumb? Jeepers. Okay. The slider. No. Don't help me. Oh my goodness! Why are you having such a hard time thinking? I had this on. It's just like, load, please. You're loading like I didn't mess with this. I messed with this. Gee whiz. Okay. So now, music slider. And the sound effects slider. Why you gotta think so hard? So now the Yeah, we'll have to figure out how to do the sound effects slider. Yeah, music source. That was fine. You had it. Okay, so now the music source dot volume. Aha, volume. Is equal to the music slider value. Yes, you guessed correctly. And then theoretically there is a sound effects source. And then switch those out. But, I mean, each of those different things are going to be playing. This one's a little less useful. This one's a little less... This one's a little harder to figure out as to if each of those different things are playing a sound effect. How am I going to get that volume at the right volume for everything? Or rather, I guess if it's anything that has sound effects, would be pulling from this slider value. Ah, whatever. For now. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to make it to like 4 o'clock. Then I'll go for a walk. Come back. Let's close that. Yeah, probably get sucked into watching more Vikings Valhalla. And then... Why? That is the prefab is what I want. I never did a... Oh, whatchamacallit. Let's just do that now. So this is... Added menus is the major thing I did here. And then every time it loads so slow, I'm like, oops, look. And there's Balatro right there. Why do you always miss some set of things? What the heck? I guess it's the 2 o'clock yawns or something. Jeez. It doesn't help that Unity's also loading very slow. Okay, so you're supposed to find the music. So the music source is equal to GameObject.find music, and then get the component of audio source from it. There we go. So hopefully that'll be able to set the... Oh, and theoretically I want that tied to a savable variable, but this works. For now. Hopefully. When it loads. It's just Unity being dumb. So now we hit go and see if the options and menu picks up the music. No. It did not find music. This is on the scene that has it, too. Okay, let's put it in the update despite the fact that it doesn't need to be there. Because that'll guarantee that it'll find it eventually. Awake. Duh. I could just put this on awake. Well, let's try it out here. Why? It's been 12 minutes and I've yawned 4 times. I'm doing a big yawn every 3 minutes. It's like typically it's like 2 o'clock. No, you're not finding the audio source. That's on update, and it's looking for this object that is clearly labeled music. What? Game object dot find a game object with this name. Get component audio source. Huh? I don't see how I'm screwing that up. Game object dot find music. That's what this is. Music. What? It's only when this is active. This isn't active, is it? Okay, so when I hit... Okay, so maybe I do want it on. Well, this is new. Yeah, see, it's an instant link like that, too. It's like, nope. I do not want that sitting there at all. Okay, so now if I hit options... And then I look at this. Yeah, okay, now it finds music. I don't need it to find it multiple... Well, okay. So that's if it's... Yeah, so this will make sure whenever it's hit, it'll find it. Oops. So then it's if the music source is equal to null. Okay, and then because it's deactivated, there. Then we're just gonna get rid of you for now because I don't have a sound effects set of things. I could have a sound effect, much like I have music here. I could do this music and sound effects. Or maybe I could just do a sound effects one separately. And do this same thing. Okay. So now... Hopefully it'll play music. And then when I hit the options menu, it won't. Hehehe. Perfect. Except the slider needs to default to like 80. The prefab of the options menu needs to default the sliders, both of them, to like 80. Oh, I'm thinking like, oh, am I live? I just banned somebody. That's clearly it is live. It's just because I'm streaming at a weird heckin' time. 2. Five yawns in 15 minutes. Okay, so that's a working music slider. I'll need to do the options slider at some point. And then, like I said, I'm going to worry about all that once I get like a name, once I get a little further. So let's get potion abilities going. Oh, that's it, the game over screen. That's another thing. Yeah. Jeez. Something like that. No, I don't need to save this. It just... Okay, so game over screen. So let's go to... Well... No, give me a results screen. I think that's what I want to do. It's a results screen. Because that's a little more succinct in terms of it's the same screen. And just whether you do good or not. Yeah, I'll still need scene transition stuff. I mean, hopefully I will have the skeleton of everything done. And then it'll just be actually adding gameplay and polish. So, give me a panel. It's because it's 2 o'clock. I'm having the 2 o'clock slowdown because I'm digesting food. Although I hit the like 11 o'clock slowdown because I didn't have enough food. So it's just gonna be this slowdown right in the middle of the day here. But it should pick up over time. Actually, give me a random image. And then we do this. And I just call this results. The heck? Oh, I hit reset. There we go. Remove. And then the panel goes there. And then I want the text for the title of this. Probably a bit ridiculous, but that's okay. No, we're sticking with my stupid font that doesn't work very well. It's like if it's stupid and doesn't work very well, use something else, right? Whoops. What do you mean 178? Okay, there we go. I could either double the size of it or increase the text size. So what do I want on the results screen? Most likely I want the time. Wait, give me a Dishonored. That's really what it is a Dishonored results screen. How do you have all of the inventory and options stuff and not the like thing that I'm actually looking for when I say results? Got skill menus. It's Dishonored 2, which I haven't played. I don't want Dishonored 2 to show up until I play it. Although I definitely had some. There we go. I definitely had some stuff spoiled for me because I watched a video of Dishonored 2, saw a bunch of cool levels, and then said, maybe I should go and play this game. Okay, so I'm not going to have a mission name. This is just going to be the results screen. So this is going to be... oh, this doesn't have a timer, does it? Okay, and I'm not going to have special actions. That's not going to... Okay, so let's put down a list of... So I think, personally, I want a timer. Simply because that's easy to do for, like, leaderboard things. Not that I'm going to be getting at the leaderboard sort of stuff, but you never know. Okay, so then... Guards eliminated. Especially because I'm doing immortal guards. Okay, we're not doing civilians. I don't think I'm going to do an alarm system. Bodies found. I doubt I'm going to do that. Overall chaos doesn't matter there. And then never detected. And then didn't kill anyone. Well, that's because the guards aren't really going to be killed, but... And then that's... Yeah, it's just hostiles killed and then didn't kill anyone. Are kind of the same things. But, you know, detected. And then treasures found. Okay, so we'll do completion time is what we'll call it. Guards eliminated, detected, and then treasures found. It's gotta be fairly hard to do a kill guards and then not be detected, especially if they're going around looking for bodies and things. Okay, so these are the things I want to add. Completion time, guards eliminated, detected, and treasures found. Which I think they're all going to be different. Vaguely. Completion time. Yeah, and then a lot of these are going to need to be... Okay, so 1,000 then? There we go. Then we do another one of these, spelled correctly, ideally, for the next sets of things. Completion time, Detected guards. I think I want to do detected first. Well, that's kind of like a was detected. Yeah, we're gonna do a was detected. And then do a guards eliminated. Man, just seeing a screenshot of Dishonored makes me want to go and play the sequel, because I haven't played the sequel. But was Deathloop on Steam? Or was that on a console? I feel like that was on a console, but I also think like Sekiro is on Steam. So if I wanted more of those FromSoft roguelike things. Oh, body cam. I have no interest in this. Okay, but he did ridiculously well. Okay, I thought it was out in like beta or something. Oh, early access. Yeah, okay, so it's not out yet. It's just early access. I was not looking at Dishonored. I was looking at Steam to see if Deathloop. Okay, Deathloop is on here. I know this one's a little different than a Dishonored, in that it has a time looping mechanic. And I know the time looping mechanic messes with it a fair bit. Oh, there was something about like that NPC character was. Yeah, and they got saddled with Redfall, which I think is still doing awful. It's just the 2 games, right? And the DLCs. Yeah, I skipped that one just because it said mostly negative. That was just kind of half-assed. Oh, and that was just extra stuff for a playthrough. Oh, that's why this is such a... Because it's $30 for the Death of the Outsider. Okay. I'm probably still going to get it, but... Why you gotta show up when I'm distracted again? I took one moment to be distracted. Show it on stream. Like I said, I just didn't want to show off the rest of my Discord. Is there a way to hide this? Not that it matters all that much, but... Well, it's because it says streamer mode enabled. I'm like, it's because I didn't need everything on there. Whatever. Oh, there we go. That's just the picture. Okay, cool. It sort of did it. Okay, now it's showing all my Discord stuff. Not that it matters, but... It's looking pretty in a very grungy, nasty, rusted aesthetic kind of way. No, that's impressive. It is very iron lung. Just literally everything is covered in rust. Oh, okay, so yeah, these got added with extra colors and textures and stuff. Oh, okay, these are all environmental screenshots instead of game screenshots. No, it's looking good. It took half a day. I can imagine. Because I've never, like... This is the height of my art. What is the best looking game I have? It's probably something like Shank Your Friends, which is literally this exists. I think this is like the prettiest game I've made. Which is still far from pretty. So, yeah, not a strong suit. I do not have a good aesthetic sense. But, you know, they say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Send a Blender screenshot. Like, lights do all the job. Yeah, lights do everything. Yeah, lighting does do a ton. And that's kind of why I was saying that this is one of the prettiest games I've made, simply because it has lighting on it. I'm trying to think if there was another one that I had some like better lighting, some prettier lighting that actually made the game look... Oh, I guess Bomb Squad is the other one that I'm like proud of. I think this one looks fairly good, but it is also like simple 2D stuff, so... Yeah, it's because I'm aiming for abstract board games, so it's like, oh, it doesn't have a lot of stuff to it, so that's why I think it looks better. Yeah, this character's just jank as heck. My 3D version of Line Rider just looks jank. Oh, and then my, like, I don't know how to do... Yeah, it's all that stuff that I pulled together stuff in Paint 3D that it's like, no, that's ugly too. Yeah, especially something like that. That's grady as hell. It's like, okay, yeah, that's ugly. Yeah, there's lots of stuff that I'm like, I'm getting close to an aesthetic that actually looks okay. Yeah, something like this. It's the ones that are like extremely simple that I'm like, okay, that one maybe kind of looks pretty. But I've not made a complex scene that looks good, so. Has like 13 lights for a single room and a handful of eggs or something. Okay, so now we need to separate these a little. Gotta keep them separated. Let's just guess like 200. Nope. You guessed poorly. Lost detected, guards eliminated. And... oh, that's why. Oh, that was the other thing, is I was gonna say that this is also part extraction shooter. It's like, can you call an immersive sim an extraction shooter? Let's look up Lame Jam again, just to see how it's stacking up again. Oh, 11 entries. There's more people now, for sure. Okay, but it's still these, like, random quiz things. Huh. Wonder why these are getting just absolutely spammed with other dumb nonsense. Okay, so is this... This also looks like it's not even egg-related. Yeah, okay, also not egg-related. So I think the only new one is this. Everyone says you're winning. Well, in terms of stuff that is related. I mean, this looks like... hard to tell. This looks like a mobile game already that somebody's Yeah, I know. If they already have it on Google Play, this is just somebody that said, I have a game about eggs. Yeah, okay, and it's not even related to eggs. So, as of right now, yes, I think you're stacking up pretty well. Oh, this one. I didn't see this. I think you have the most aesthetically pleasing game of the ones that I've seen, which are these. Which means it's not lame. It's not a lame game for the lame jam. Yeah, need an excuse to make a crappy game. You put too much work in. You should have taken more breaks. You made too good of a game for the lame jam. It's gonna be removed. It looks too good. Well, it is funny that you're like crunching on this when it's like, I think that was not the point there. Okay, so this is the actual time. So just right align it is what I'm thinking. Do I even know what other people have? In terms of the lame jam? That's what I was just looking at. Also, whatever this animation is great. Furthest anyone got is hand and an axe walking around. An axe walking around? Huh. I mean, there's like you still got a day and a half here. So don't catch your chickens until they hatch. We're just gonna timer text, I guess. We're gonna put you under there too. And then was detected. This is not gonna be text. Pun intended. Pan intended. I suppose I said the pun first, so I started the puns. I don't think it's even as hot as yesterday, and yet I'm somehow more miserable today. Although I might just be in digestion mode too. I has the dumb and forgot to switch this to my bad font. And that's the thing too, is it's this my first. It's all these drafts of things and it's like, but it's so hard to make another one. Oh, it's not supposed to be text, it's supposed to be a check mark box. It's a thing. I know it's a thing. Image, text, panel, toggle. There we go. I'm looking for check mark. Okay, toggle is what they went with. Okay, I need you to be... Actually do this. And then do this. So 450. Why does this look like it's off center? Okay, maybe it is the watermelon. I'm feeling just a little queasy and I might have had a bit too much watermelon. Or maybe watermelon just doesn't sit well with me. It's all this like psychological stuff too, where I'm like, is it because I'm worried about the kidney stone that it's making it feel like different foods are causing problems, or is it different foods are causing problems and I'm noticing it more because I'm hyper aware? That's not what I wanted. Oh, it's because it has the text on there that I forgot about. Can you flip that? Is that a thing? The label. Can you flip the label? I would assume it's over here still. Let's toggle transition. Okay, but I don't need the text. So that can go away. And then you can go right about there. Okay, and then guards eliminated. That actually is going to be a text. Actually, I probably could copy. Well, no. I do want to copy you. Yeah, because it's like I feel like I got a slight headache and stuff too. So it's like maybe I ate both too much watermelon and maybe watermelon doesn't sit well with me. Which is a bummer because watermelon's good and there's a lot in the fridge. So this is a number. So just 0 for now. Oh, I guess this needs to move up just a bit. And the treasures found is going to be the same thing. Okay, how about the number? Timer's fine. Toggle's fine. So this is num. Guards eliminated. And then same thing here. So num. Treasures found. People are saying the Markiplier is gonna play it. Does he play the Lame Jam games? Does he like Arctic Eggs a lot? I know he's making the Iron Lung movie, or made the Iron Lung movie, something like that. Yeah, I don't watch Markiplier, but there's the occasional like update video that pops up on YouTube that I watch. It's kind of funny because it's the same thing that happens with like Jacksepticeye too, where I'm like I don't watch the channel, but I still somehow see the like here's update stuff. And then main menu button. Lame Jam is a prestigious competition. It's called Lame Jam. That doesn't sound prestigious to me. But 100 people is a fair amount. So if I go back to a previous one... See, that's the thing. It's like it doesn't take me back to the previous Lame Jams. Okay, so let me go Lame Jam 40. Oh wow, they've been doing the same format for every one of these for a long time. So Lame Jam 40. Wait, there was only 50? So how about 39? Only 50. How about 38? 27. How about 37? So has this been growing and growing, or? Okay, so it's... Huh, it's a little random as to how well the jam does. Although it seems like you entered the most prolific jam here. Yeah, these are all sitting around 30s and stuff, and then this one's sitting around... I wonder if this just got a little more reach or something. Oh. Bye-bye. Have fun working. Have fun winning the jam with your not-so-lame game. For the Lame Jam. And then, were these all centered? Okay, that's good, that's fine. Even that one's centered. Yeah, that's fine. And then I need a main menu button, which I sort of have. That's a main menu. No, I got rid of that main menu button. That's fine. So, that 2 o'clock sleepies that I'm like, I gotta shake it off or something. It's like, I could do it. I could wake up again. I swear, I could do it. Well, if I do a main menu prefab button. Oh, you know what? We're gonna do, it's gonna just be a button. That's what I'm gonna do. So, do I have a button here that I can just rip off of here and prefab? This says it's a prefab. Main menu. I don't see it in this list though. That is main menu button. Oh, options menu. Okay, no, I already had this. I'm just apparently not shaking off. Shake, 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 shake it. Okay, you're actually needing to go there. Like so. Where's the text? Be great if I had some text. And then actually, you need to go like down here. Okay, so it's a little small on this screen. Oh, the web view is going to be pretty dang small. Oh, well, okay, maybe I don't have to have it hang off the edge. Oh, I'm just seeing the text here, but it's like, no, that's not anything. Okay, so 250. There we go. So now, that is the results screen. Yeah, it does look a little cramped. Let's move everybody else up a smidge. That's the panel? Who's the panel? Results. Oh, you're supposed to be... Everybody now is supposed to be under this results. And the panel is supposed to be... Wait. I don't remember which order it goes in. So, that there. Okay, no, that puts the panel in the back. Yeah, okay, cool. So then, take y'all. Nope, not you. Take y'all. Scooch up a little bit. Sure. So 200. Oh, and that one came out nice and even. Okay, there we go. Now, nice even numbers on this results screen. This main menu button that does not actually go anywhere or do anything. Needs to have the... Yeah, it's like I have a menu here, so... What does menu do exactly? You have an ability to do the main menu button, right? Main menu button. How are you doing your thing? Audio source, options menu, main menu. Oh. Wait, so this doesn't have a main menu. This just opens the options menu? Let's slap a way to get to the main menu from there, too. I keep wanting to turn it up, and then it's like, wait a second, no, the music is just fading out. That's what's happening. There's a lot of songs in this album. Gee whiz. Okay, so main menu. Oops. And then the audio source was on the... Let's just give you a menu audio source too. Oh, this was that, like... I just made this as kind of a placeholder. And then that's the thing. Placeholders tend to turn into actual just objects. Okay, so now twofold. So menu, menu, main menu, and then also menu, audio source, play. Oh, and then it's gonna get cut off. No. If I have a transition, you sucketh. This one I wanted to get rid of. Okay, so now if I load this up, there's obviously not going to be any results, but can I do the main menu? Oh, and this, so when the results pops up, it should also disable everything. Okay, yeah, the options menu should not be able to pop up. Okay, so a couple things to fix there. The options menu. So you are popping up via this, right? Yes, okay. So then this is also determining whether the results screen is popping up at this point. So that's if you hit escape, it pops up the options menu. And that's if it also show results. So do a nice show results. So that's if not showing results. You can do that. And then here it's the if wowee, that was poorly typed. If the if show results, then the game object that is the results menu so then results menu dot set active to true. Okay, so how do I, because it's not going to be active. Oh, wait. If show results, so I can just do show results. God balls. True. There we go. Okay, so it's automatically going to make the results screen true and show up. It's because this thing is fun to play with. And then how do these things get so tangled sometimes? Dadgummit. Okay, no, we are getting caught under the computer. Ah! Gee whiz. Okay, go that way. There we go. Pain in the butt. Okay, the results menu. Here. Then you go away. To make sure that this is popping up the results menu properly. I should just pause the game at this point too. Yeah, okay. Yes, I should do a pause. Oh, wait. Okay, also the cursor, when the results screen shows up, the cursor? It's actually none. There. Oh, and then also pause. Time state. Time dot delta time. Time scale. Time scale equals 0. There we go. So it pops up the result screen, which pauses the game. Disables the cursor, disables the options from popping up. Oh, great. Okay, so Unity's just slowly falling apart. Okay, so now... Oh, it has been an hour. I could sit. No. We're gonna make sure this results screen is done, and then I shall sit. Then I shall properly revel in the victory of the... That is not entirely what I wanted. Oh, and then this. Okay, so you cannot pop up the options menu there. Let's pop up the options menu. What in the world? Okay, wait. There's a few things. You need to not play on awake. I don't know why it defaults to that. Pretty much most audio you don't want to play immediately, and yet that's what it defaults to. Okay, go back to the other series. Let's see if I can do the options. It's like, why are you... Options. Yeah, okay, so this needs to not happen. Why? Oh, because it showed results. That doesn't stay between scenes, though. Oh, but that doesn't... Okay, so main menu here is where it should... that's already none. Return the time scale back to 1. Maybe. Maybe that's the issue. No, not the issue. Why are you not doing the thing, you dumb? I don't think I'm in the mood to fix things. It's like, might just leave that. It's 2 o'clock sleepies. It's hitting me hard. I'm gonna sit, make it worse. Okay. Back to the thing. I keep promising like all sorts of destruction and stuff, and then I mess with menus again for a while. I wanna really figure out why the heck I'm tired all the time. Well, right now it's just because I'm digesting food. Oh yeah, and then this is gonna automatically pop up every time now. Okay, so we're gonna... The result screen is basically working. I don't really need this right now. Oh, and then I need to make it so that it actually... So I need some kind of exit. If this is an extraction shooter style. Or even Mussolina, which is vaguely the same. Or even a Dishonored. An immersive sim is an extraction shooter. Okay, I still need to fix the jump. The jump is still completely borked. Okay. I need an exit of some kind. I was kind of thinking like a rope. But it could be like a door. Well, Dishonored has Samuel, basically. You go to the boatman, and that's how you get out of the level. Mussolina has a portal. Something like Darker and Darker has a portal. And a portal would very much make sense with a alchemy kind of game. But can I make a good looking portal? Most likely not. Well, and it's like, Or can I make a doorway that it... Portal's probably the best idea. Gosh, dang it. Gee whiz. I wanted to do stuff today. And now you're doing this again. You somehow said, okay, I'm gonna run, and then I'm like, okay, well, I need to fix it because it's not working. And then I tried to fix it, and it was like, no, I'm working, I lied. And now here I am, like, it's not working again. Like, what? Okay, when you get high enough up in the air, though, you start running. Yeah, but for some reason landing does not trigger it. Okay, so I can either do the quaffing the potion and have that have an effect. I want to do throwing the potion. That's what I said I was going to do a couple times over now. So let's actually do that. What are you wrong with me? That was the end. Can I do one that's less of an end? Yeah, okay, those are just remasters of old albums. Wow, so the last true album was 2020? Dang, dude. And it's a bummer. When it's like really good music. It's like an artist I really like, and then they just don't put out anything for a while. Okay. The throwing the potion. So... I might not make it to 4 o'clock. I'm like falling asleep now. It does say light rain. I don't know if that means now or later. Because it's looking a little darker outside. Oh, let's do... Wait, okay, let's start with potion. And just say... Here. So this is the potion type, is what we want. As an Gnome. Potion type. I don't think the music is helping either. Well, it's really good music, but it's chill. It may or may not need some like drum and bass or something, or some happy raveland something or other. Okay, air, earth, fire, water, aether. And now on start, it's going to be here. I guess it's not public necessarily, but potion type. No, no, no. We're gonna say potion type because type is its own thing. Potion type. And then do a switch on the potion type. And then case potion type dot air. Air, earth, fur, water, aether. Okay, and then each of these are going to do. No. Each of these are going to have their own mesh material or rendering. So not a random color. In this case, I mean, I could just do yellow, brown, red, blue, white. And I think I'm going to. Hopefully they have all of that. Color dot yellow. It's stuff like orange. I don't think it has something like orange. It's just weird to me. Does it have brown? No. Yeah, see, I'm like, I don't know where it's getting. It's. I know red, green, and blue are obvious. White's obvious. Black's obvious. Gray is obvious. Oh, yellow and magenta. Yeah, okay. So that it's doing printer colors too. But that's it. Kind of a bummer. So color dot red. Color dot blue. And then color dot white. Can I just do like a... I mean, black seems too dark. Gray. Green. There. Okay. So now each of those have their own color. And let's randomize the... Dadgummit. Oh, wait. I can look at the character visuals, which have the randomizing of an enum. So in this case, it's going to be potion type. Is a potion type. There we go. And technically the light should only be on like the fire one. But that's if I want to do like a light. Because that's the thing, I'm like, I kind of want to do like a light potion, and a dark potion, and a time potion, and a charm potion, and some of that wild stuff too. Of which there's still a fair amount I need to do to make this a finished product. Or well, to make this a little more playable, but it's just out of curiosity. Where is... Yeah, 28 entries, and there's going to be a large chunk of them that are not related. I'm like, that's a real one. These look like real ones. I gotta come up with a name at some point. Oh, and these are supposed to be web versions. Okay, that's one of those. Yeah, we'll see if doing like an early upload will help or not. Because I feel like I'm getting fairly close. It's only 3 o'clock, and I'm like, well, a couple more menu things, and well, no, there's a fair amount I need to do still. It might take me another day to get it fully up and running. But I have like a results screen and everything too, so. I don't remember what I was doing. It's just like, it's my brain is not working right now. What's exploding? I specifically said if you can't find the music source. What? Seemingly, you're finding the object music, but not finding the component audio source. Oh, unless you're not finding the game object music. Okay, so hopefully that will make sure that if you find it otherwise... My chin's really itchy. I'm trying. It's not happening. Okay, the potion. That's what I was trying to determine. Okay, you know what? Let's shed some light on the situation. Screw it. Okay, so that's a blue potion. It's supposed to have the transparency too. But that's... Okay, so this is a water potion, and then I throw it like so. Or I drink it. A little clunky. Yeah, I really gotta figure out the jump too. It's funny seeing the black and the harsh shadows with the actual light on top of everything. Okay, so now... No, it's like I do want the... What do you mean, you dumb? Oh, there is no music. Wait. But huh? I just said if you can't find this... Yeah, okay, I have music slider. Music source. What? 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 There, you gonna stop complaining now? Okay, I keep getting distracted by that null reference exception. Now, it's the throwing the potion. I guess I could double check that the potion is spawning in differently every time. That is a water potion. There we go. There's an earth potion. Which I'd rather be brown, but not messing with that right now. It's a water potion. That's a light potion or something. Air. This is supposed to be air. This is an air potion. Okay, so this is the one that you chuck it. And then... yeah, because I want to get like a parabola going. Is really what I want. Also, why is the right arm moving out of the way? Because it's like here. I'm a little confused as to why. Okay, so you're drinking the potion. Somehow it's also moving this other arm out of the way? I feel like that other arm should still be there. It's only moving the one arm in the animation, though. I don't understand why both of them are affected. I feel like the other arm should still be bobbing and stuff. Stop misclicking like that, you doof. Okay. Quaff. Yeah, just the right arm. I guess that other arm is staying kind of low and out of the way. I guess it's fine. I forget why I wanted it visible. Oh, it's because here I feel like the other arm should be visible. Where it's like you're putting one arm forward, cocking the other one back, so you can throw the thing forward. And I could just flip and do that, just for fun. Let's say the left arm's actually going to get in here. And position itself forward. And then I forget that this is not going to help me much because I'm not using throw. I'm using throw start and throw end. So throw start. Okay, you do need a starting position. And then throw end is just reversing that. Stop misclicking. Throw end. No, let's wait. Throw start. left arm position, I want to pull over to here. There. Okay, so not the cleanest animation, but... So what does that look like in-game? Oh, I never did do a stunned animation. Okay, so... Hey, it's the stone. Feels like that could go a little faster, actually. Okay, now I kind of want a target. So it shoots a ray, and then chucks the potion at the thing. Do I want to have it have an arc? Well, it's one of those things of like, I could show where it's aiming. Oh, duh. I know what I forgot. It's just a reticle. So... That's a bit big. Still kind of a tad big. There we go. Okay, there's a small little white dot in the middle of the screen to be the reticle. Yeah, what I kind of want to do is project a something to the end of a ray that comes out of the middle and says, okay, that's the thing you're going to hit. Yeah, okay, actually having the hand forward is kind of nice. Yeah, I think it does help to have a light. Yeah, those really dark shadows make it so you don't see a... if the stone is hiding in the shadows here. Actually, okay, so if I have the really harsh lighting that makes it so that you can see the character, can I switch out the character? Or rather, can I turn on the torso? Or does that... it looks like it janks out a little bit. It's just weird Unity being Unity stuff. Okay, yeah, I would need to modify some things. I wanted to use this torso. I can see why I wasn't. Okay, I'm gonna go use the restroom. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I don't know that I'm gonna work much longer. I'm trying to push through. Yeah, it's only been an hour and a half. I'm like, I could just take off early, come back, and then push the rest of the evening. Okay, so now the throw. Or rather, just do a ray cast. So I want to do a ray cast. This was press this frame. And then I'll do it in the middle here. So now that's it. If it is pressed, it's also because it's raining, and I'm like, ooh, I want to go walk around in the rain a little bit. And it's not like pouring, it's just kind of sprinkling, and it's like, okay, a sprinkle of rain sounds good, because it can get pretty dang wet. So this is physics dot raycast. Oh, actually, where is the grapple? I just have to sit here and let you load, don't I? Even Steam? Even this isn't loading? This is turning into one of those times, one of those days. I'm like, okay, if nothing's loading, I'm gonna go away. If my brain is full of fuzz and nothing is loading, I'm gonna go away and come back. I want to hit 2 hours, though. So it's like, I want to hit 3:30 so I can hit 2 hours. That's kind of that no expectations thing. There is no expectation that I stream for a certain amount of time. If things aren't working, you want to go wander around in the rain. You're also compiling scripts? Who's compiling scripts? So now you're gonna let me look at this? No. Mouse button down. Yes. It's taking you 15 seconds to respond to a mouse click. 20 seconds? Why are you like this? I might just say fuck it and just go for a walk. If nothing's gonna load. Okay, nope. Nope, fuck this. It's only been an hour and a half, and I'm like, if nothing's gonna load, then I'm just gonna fucking go for a walk, come back. It's only 3. Well, it's because I want to eat closer to 4, which that's a heckin' early time for dinner anyway, but at least it's not as heckin' early as 3 something. Okay, let's do... Well, because I guess it's technically the end of the throw is when it does the... Release the potion. So, throw end. Here, I want to add an event and... Okay, wait, isn't player on this? Yes, but there's no public. Yeah, okay, there's no public thing here. So public void throw end. Yeah, it's gonna look like throw exception, but no, throw end. Okay, so now if I try this, when I look at the event, can I do player? Oh, it's because this raycast here is not dealt with. Okay, so now that it's properly saved, can you find that function? Yes, okay. Methods, throw end. So now it should be So then on the player, the throw end should be the potion. I guess I could say held potion. And then the potion dot add for so dot transform dot parent. It's null, so remove the parent, and then potion dot add force. Nope, dot rigid body. Rigid body. Add force. Force, which is the direction. Forward, right? Just vector 3 dot forward. Forward. This will be multiplied by the throw speed. Throw speed. And then the force mode is whatever. I suppose impulse. What, huh? Okay, whatever. Just do that. Is it multiplied by the force? Okay, what about the flippin'... How am I moving around then? Yeah, forward, which is a vector 3. Multiplied by... a float. What? Oh, it's shorthand for that. No. Okay, so that's probably why it can't be multiplied. Okay, so not vector 3. Okay, camera.main transform.right.z. Aren't I doing that over here? Add force. Which direction, which is a vector 3, times the speed. This is a vector 3 multiplied by a speed. And bool? Why is this a bool? What? A float, please, you dumb. Okay, there we go. Jeez. But I think this is actually giving me the forward that I want instead of the whatever other one. The throw speed is nothing, so it'll just leave. So let's do like 1. No, this is again. I want to try to do it on the pre. What did I turn on? Prefab. I want to make sure everything goes to the prefab first. Okay, let's move this up so I don't have to go scroll down to find it. Should not be under everything. That's up, not. I want to go up. Okay, there. Throw speed of like 1. So hopefully it'll just detach and fall, basically. And then after that, hopefully I can turn it into a fastball and just nail somebody in the face. Oh. So let's just do it on this one, because that's... Wait, right arm potion. There we go. So that potion will hopefully detach and nail somebody in the face. Yeah, I see. I got over the hump. I think I got over the 2 o'clock hump. So now I'm awake enough to do stuff. Oh, you did it. Okay. Okay, the potion. You have a collider, right? No? A box collider. I needed a bit smaller than that. I think we're gonna just ignore the cork. It should be 0.3, right? I think. I want to just ignore the cork, and then I want to do... Yeah, because that's the object, not the box collider. Yeah, okay, no, that's not... Okay, that looks right. So I just need to scooch it along here. There we go. Okay, so that's the collider for the potion. And then do a rigid body. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need to constrain it. Well, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to constrain it, but we'll see what this does. Okay, that's just the junk unity thing. The potion went flying. Yeah, okay, so you just yeeted off into the stratosphere. But if I turn off the collisions, so now where'd the potion go? You didn't go anywhere. No, you're falling through the ground. So don't use gravity. Dadgummit. Okay, potion, where'd you go? You're falling? Huh? Yeah, okay, you're not attached to the player anymore. Okay, so let's do this then. Constrain it. See if that keeps it attached to the player. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what if I do this? And then I have it as it's collidable. Because then I think that also kind of gives the possibility of you run the potion into a wall while you're holding it and it could explode. Which I think is kind of funny. That confused the hell out of me. The heck is all this? Okay, it's one of those just weird Unity whatever errors. Probably because I clicked on the animator. Okay, but okay. I was checking to see if the potion would stay in place, and it did. So now what I need to do is say why do I keep putting the S in there? Potion, rigid body. Is get the component. And then you, I will add force after I. Can I hit clear or? Isn't it constraints.x or whatnot? Okay, here. Constraints. I can set it to a different set of constraints. And I think that's what I will do. Okay, so position rigid body constraints equals a new rigid body constraints, I suppose. Can I do rigid body constraints dot something? I don't recall how to use this. There we go. Freeze, 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 none. There we go. Remove the constraints, then add force to it. And hiya! That didn't seem to do anything. Throw speed is ridiculous. Well, is a lot larger. I don't know if it's gonna be. No, 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 no. It needs to be on the prefab. You sucketh. I mean, I guess it doesn't have to be on the prefab, but I want it on the prefab. What is going on? Why am I moving? Stop moving. Hey! There we go. Now I need another one. Although I could call that victory and go for a walk. And do dinner and stuff, because it's... I don't want it to get too much wetter. And I'm still feeling kind of meh. And hoping that I'll wake up. Chug a potion. And snipe somebody in the back of the head with it. I mean, it is an underhand throw as opposed to an overhand throw, but... Okay, so definitely some stuff to clean up still. Lots of stuff to clean up still. But I have a working, somewhat working potion throw. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna be back. This is a quick stream. I will be back. But yeah, I'll probably take a longer dinner and then be back. But probably it's still earlier than probably my usual time actually. So, well, usual weekday time. Okay, I will be back. Bye bye.